Black Friday, we all know now, is now Thanksgiving night, and thousands of tri-staters will cut short their dinner to wait in line for a new TV, tablet, or toy. But you don't have to ruin Thanksgiving to get the best deals on gadgets.
Andrea Deckard is a nationally known mommy blogger, and on her blog savingslifestyle.com, she gives hundreds of tips for saving money. But guess what? She refuses to shop this year's early Black Friday.
Are you going to spend all day Thanksgiving in line?
No, absolutely not.
But Andrea says she really won't miss that much. For instance, one of the hottest Thanksgiving Day sales is Walmart's free $100 gift card if you buy an iPad mini. But she says you'll get close to the same discount later.
It's not something that I'm willing to wait in line on Thanksgiving for, and I do imagine that they're going to have something like that beyond Thanksgiving leading up to Christmas.
The website dealnews.com agrees and says the Sunday after Black Friday and the next weekend offer gadget prices almost as low.
Historically, over the past couple years, as I've been really watching this closely, we're going to see tons of great deals still leading up to Christmas.
To find the best deals, Andrea's smartphone is loaded with apps from price comparison apps like Red Laser to store apps like Target's Cartwheel. In addition, she says watch Amazon, which will match many of the best gadget deals at other stores.
They are price matching a lot of the different sales that you're seeing in the stores. So if you don't want to go to the store even to pick up something when it's on sale at a great price, Amazon is going to be meeting that price online. You can get free shipping and get it delivered right to your door.
So this savings mom is now shopping for Thanksgiving dinner and planning to spend it at home with family.
And bravo for her. We interviewed Andrea at the Meyer store in Westchester. By the way, she says two gadgets you will not find any sales on this weekend are the new Xbox One and PS4. If you find them, you'll need to pay full price. And join me tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. again on Good Morning Tri-State for another great deal of the day, so you don't waste your money.